Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install and play games on the PPSSPP emulator on your Android phone. Super easy and updated for 2025. First, make sure you've downloaded the PPSSPP emulator from the Play Store. Open it once to make sure it's installed correctly, then close it. Now let's move on to adding games. Go to your browser and search for the PSP game you want to play. Make sure the file is in ISO or CSO format. That's what the PPSSPP app supports. If it's in a zip or RAR file, use an app like zarchiver or RAR to extract it. Once extracted, you'll see the ISO or CSO file. Create a folder in your internal storage called PSP Games or anything you like, and move the ISO/CSO file there so it's easy to find. Launch the app, go to the folder where you saved the game, and tap on the file. Boom, your game will start running. If your game lags, go into Settings, Graphics, and try adjusting the rendering mode or frame skipping for better performance. And that's it. You've successfully added games to your PPSSPP emulator on Android. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel for more gaming tips, and press the notification button as well. See you in the next video.